Hello guys, it's Johnny Time and welcome to another decentralized finance tutorial. The Cronos ecosystem is exploding. Cronos, the Crypto.com EVM compatible chain, and there are so many opportunities for us DeFi yield farmers for passive income, either if it's like staking CRO tokens or stable coins or other interesting coins that this ecosystem has. And in this tutorial, my goal is to teach you and show you the ecosystem and all the different opportunities that you as a yield farmer DeFi expert can leverage in order to make high returns and passive income on the Cronos Crypto.com chain. And if you like this kind of content and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button, because I'm gonna post so many educational videos that you want to make sure that you watch them once they're out. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so Cronos is the EVM chain, Ethereum Virtual Machine chain, which means that you can connect to it with your MetaMask wallet and Ledger device or Trezor or any hardware wallet that you already have. And it's a DeFi EVM chain by Crypto.com, same as you have BSC, Binance Smart Chain for Binance. This is the Crypto.com official EVM chain. And the best way to check the opportunities is actually go to DeFi Llama that summarize all the DeFi protocols that we have based in categories, in chains, and it has a lot of interesting information. You can see that the TVL is constantly growing for this chain. Right now it's around $4 billion and it's constantly growing, and it has a lot of opportunities. So first of all, let's see how we can stake CRO tokens and make passive income. So the safest ways that I would go, if you have exposure to CRO tokens and you want to basically stake it and get passive incomes more reward, is go to the biggest DEXs. First one is VVS Finance and MMF Finance. Now I will make another complete tutorials about these DEXs and what other opportunities they have for yield farming and getting passive income. So make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna post videos dedicated for VVS and MMF. And also I have a video about Dark, which we'll talk in a moment. But this is VVS. This is the biggest DEX on Cronos. This is MMF, the second one, Mad Market Finance. It's actually pretty close, 1.2 billion and 1.23 billion. And let's open this website. You can simply just click on them and then click the website link and it will open the website. And this is VVS Finance. You can go to the farms over here and you can see that you can farm CRO with it, with Bitcoin, with USDC for roughly 20%, sometimes more, sometimes less APR. This is insane. This is 2% month return for your CRO token, which is a coin that is basically one of the biggest coins. It's the number 19 coin on CoinGecko with a market cap of 10 billion. You can say that it's a blue chip because it's the coin of Crypto.com. It's number 20, number 19. So it's quite of like, you know, high returns for CRO with Bitcoin, CRO with stable coins, CRO with ETH. And this is one opportunity that you can do for roughly 20% on your CRO tokens. We will see how we can actually get high returns, but stay tuned because it's going to be super interesting. We have a lot of opportunities to generate even higher returns on our CRO tokens. Now, the second opportunity will be Mad Market Finance, also an exchange with high TVL, $1.2 billion. So quite safe move, in my opinion. You can go to earn, farms, and stake your CRO over here. Now, guys, look, you can stake CRO with USDT for 41% APR. This is doubled from VVS Finance, so I would go for it because the risk is quite the same, but the rewards are 2 times higher. It's 4% a month on CRO with USDC. Now, bear in mind that you have impermanent loss over here, which means that if the CRO price goes up related to the USDC or goes down, you have a slightly low percentage that you're gonna lose, but it's actually quite low compared to the APR over here. It's actually a good move, in my opinion. You know, it's not a financial advice, but just if you're bullish CRO and you want to farm it with dollars, 42% a month. A year, it's a lot. It's 4% a month. Now you can farm it with USDT for even higher rewards, 46%. And if you want, you can farm it with Bitcoin or Ether for 30%. So this is very, very nice opportunities, guys. And you can also farm here stable coins, okay? DAI USDC, USDT, or 3Ms. This is actually 4 stable coins that you can farm with 35%. A lot of interesting opportunities actually. I love MMF Finance and they have a lot of opportunities, but we'll talk more in depth about MMF Finance of a dedicated video. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned when it will be posted. What is the MMF token? Look at this, 300% APR and MMO and ETH and a lot of super amazing opportunities here on the Cronos chain. So this is MMF Finance. These are the actually safer ways to go if you want to farm CRO. And now let's go into the bit more higher risk, but still, in my opinion, quite safe to farm CRO for even higher rewards. So do you enjoy this video and you feel that you finally found a high quality DeFi channel on YouTube? Check out my other free educational content and subscribe for a new video every day. Here is Dark Crypto. I posted a complete tutorial about Dark Crypto, what it is and how it works, and I will try to summarize it for you in like 1 minute, but if you want to watch in more detail, check out my video, search for Dark Crypto Johnny Time and learn everything that you need to know about Dark Crypto. Amazing dApp, amazing opportunities. So this is the website of Dark Crypto. It's basically a fork of Tomb. Tomb is a algorithmically pegged token to Phantom on the Phantom ecosystem, and they basically forked Tomb and made it much better. In my opinion, the UX looks much more smoother, much like nicer. I just want to use this dApp because I love the UX, and also they added a lot of features. So it's like Tomb Finance on steroids, in my opinion, because they have also play to earn here, and they have a dollar stablecoin, and they have Vault, which is like kind of features from Beefy Finance. So they have a lot of cool things. It's like the better version of Tomb, in my opinion. So you have here the Dark token. So the Dark token is supposed to be pegged to CRO, and in the last, I don't know how much time, but I think several months, it's actually overpegged, like 1-2% overpegged on Tomb. And we'll check Dark and CRO, and now we'll change the price from USD to CRO, and you can see over here that it's quite stable, guys, for the last like several months. Let's change it to 3 months, and you can see that it's quite stable. Since February, it didn't move from the peg. It's always overpegged and not underpegged, so it's quite safe way to go. And now the cool thing about this Dark token, so if you have CRO tokens and you want to make passive income on your CRO token, you know that you have this Dark token and it's pegged to CRO, and it's proved itself for a while now. No guarantees that it will be pegged all the time, but it's been proving itself since February. What you can do is sell 50% of your CRO, not a financial advice for Dark, okay? You're gonna do it here on MMF Finance because the liquidity will be here on MMF Finance, right over here. So you can sell 50% of your CRO to Dark, and then you can add liquidity, okay? You can add liquidity, CRO and Dark, and then the cool thing that you can do is you can farm it over here. You go here on Dark Crypto to earn Banks and earn Sky. Now we can farm it either on VVS Finance for 193% APR. This is insane. Or in MMF Finance for 186% APR. Not bad as well. This is if we calculate it, okay, 193% divided by 365 days. This is more than 0.5% a day. This is insane, guys. This is insane rewards on your CRO tokens. This is 70% a month on CRO. So not a year, a month, almost 200% APR. If you compound it, it's even much more. The API will be around 600%. So if you want to make passive income and you are a bit more risk tolerant, this is the way to go. Just get your CRO tokens into your MetaMask wallet, into the Cronos chain, sell 50% of it to Dark, and of course add liquidity here on MMF Finance or on VVS Finance, and then you can stake it over here to earn Sky token. Now you can use the Sky token on the boardroom, or you can sell it, or you can add liquidity. But this is, again, if you want to get into Dark Crypto and understand more, watch my video, search for Dark Crypto Johnny Time, and of course subscribe for more amazing videos in the future. Now this is the best way, in my opinion, to farm Crow tokens. Now, let's see what else do we have. We have also money markets, which is quite awesome because money markets attract a lot of TVL to certain blockchains, and we can see you have Tectonic Finance, which is a fork of Compound protocol. You can see here that the category is lending and the TVL is around $500 million. This is how it looks. Again, quite neat UX and UI, a fork of Compound, a smart contract and dApp that proved itself for a while. It's been here for a while and didn't get hacked. So it's a fork. And this is Tectonic. We have also Mimas Finance, which is another lending platform with lower TVL, $35 million. But of course, with lower TVL comes usually higher risk, but also higher rewards. So you can check out, this is Tectonic Finance if you want to use lending, borrowing, all these kind of features. So this is a pretty nice ecosystem. We have stable, algorithmic stable tokens. We have yield farming indexes. We have lending protocols and money markets. We have auto compounders. We have AutoFarm. We have BFI. We have auto compounders on Dark. We have auto compounders on MMF Finance. By the way, Optimizer is the auto compounder of Finance. So the ecosystem is constantly growing, and I love this ecosystem. And these are the opportunities that you can actually leverage and exploit in this ecosystem, if it's like getting yield on Crow tokens, getting yield on Bitcoin or Ether or stable coins. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, ask them in the comments, or join the Discord community, where we have an amazing community with smart people that will be more than happy to help you out. And also you can direct message to me. Thank you so much for watching with me here and learning with me about DeFi, and I will see you in the next tutorials. Bye bye.